This is a breaking news update from Australia. Police and health officials confirmed that around 16 people have been killed in the Bondi Beach shooting. The attack happened at Bondi Beach in Sydney. It took place during a public event and many people were at the scene. Gunshots were heard suddenly. People became scared and ran for safety. The area quickly turned chaotic. Emergency services arrived very fast. Injured people were taken to nearby hospitals. Police closed the beach and surrounding areas. Officials say the investigation is still ongoing. They asked the public to stay away from the area and wait for official updates. This is a tragic event. Thank you for listening.